Alright, friends and family, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a little quick video about my new wheel locks that I got from advancedwheellocks.com. I got these wheel locks about just over 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago I made a video, this whole unboxing thing and just showing you everything and installing it, and something happened with the audio, so and then I got a sickness, so here I am 2 weeks later on the road to recovery, and I'm gonna show you I'm just gonna redo the video, show you how what you get in the box and everything, just a whole unboxing again, but just we're gonna pretend as if I just got it. Okay, so this is what you get in the box. Let me show you. Okay, so once you get it, this is what you're gonna get here. Okay, put your box here. It's gonna come with your invoice and everything, but it's gonna come with your little instructions here. I'm gonna cover this because right here where my thumb is covering is gonna be your code. Okay, it's gonna come with a magnet and also one sticker. Okay, so here's the sticker. Okay, and then also one magnet. Okay, this magnet, they're gonna want you to put this somewhere, maybe on your fridge at home, and then the sticker, they want you to put this somewhere on your door jamb, or you could put it maybe in your glove box, or maybe somewhere on the firewall where the trunk with the spare tire is. Okay, so this is where your this is your wheel lock key number, and anytime you lose it, you're gonna reference this number. They're gonna tell you, they're gonna give you exactly what key you're gonna need. Okay, now the locks, the lugs that they give you, they're gonna give you four locks. Okay, they're gonna give you usually one key. I ordered the one with 2 keys. I wanted an extra one to keep at home in the garage. This one you're gonna actually, if you have a locked glove box, this is where you would put it, but I recommend putting it with your spare tools. Okay, you could put this with the spare tools, or don't put it in the storage container, the storage by your door, or I guess somewhere with your glove compartment, somewhere that was obvious. They recommend putting this with your spare tools for your spare tire. But what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna have one at home in the garage as backup, but I'm gonna have one probably taped somewhere hidden, maybe under my seat, or somewhere where it's difficult for a thief, where if he was to break into the car and try to find the lock, it would be hard for him to find. Okay, so just know where you put it, remember where you put it, and have maybe a significant other, they can know where to put it. Like I said, so here is the lug itself. Okay, this is the lug. This is the design here. As you notice, it has a cone-shaped design, which is awesome. I really like this design that they did compared to the OEM, original equipment manufacturer. Okay, so this is your plain Jane lug nut, right? Okay, next to your advanced wheel lock. Okay, you see this here, it's got that cone shape here, and you see these grooves here. This is where your key goes. Okay, this is a unique key pattern that they have. Okay, so only your key would work. Let me see, let's try to put it on. There it is. See, so right there, fits snug just perfectly. Okay, let me show you a lug lock that they sell on the market. Okay, so let me go grab one of those. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. So let me explain to you. This is your average lug lock that they sell on the market. Okay, it's got the little patterns here and everything like that. But what these thieves like to do is they will take a socket like so, okay? They will shove it right over your lug, okay? And after that, they will go with the hammer, they'll knock it back here, they'll shove it right over, and then it will get I guess wedged in, and then they can twist it right off, okay? So that's the problem with these lug locks on the market today, okay? If you don't believe me, search YouTube how to remove a lug lock, and there's going to be plenty of videos that's going to show you how to remove a lug lock, okay? Now this is compared next to the advanced wheel lock, okay? You see the design, the cone design here, okay? If I try to go over it with a you know, whatever, or a thief's trying to go over it with a socket, it's going to be quite difficult for them to take off, you see? So the whole deal here is to make it difficult for a thief to take off your wheel, okay? So number one, design, awesome, I love it, it's great. Number two, price point is very affordable. I say about these 4 locks and the 2 keys, probably on sale. I probably got around maybe 110, 120. It just depends. So let me see. They do offer this in a black finish. So if you have black wheels, they do have it for a black rim that you might have, so it can match, okay? So let me show you how to install it. I've already installed 3. Like I said in the previous video, I took off 1 just to show, but let's go over to the wheel and let me show you what I'm gonna protect. Okay, so this is what I'm protecting. My wife's 2019 Honda Accord. These wheels are very hot on the market right now. They're very high value, especially if you have the all black or the black and silver 19-inch wheels. These thieves, they are very brave. They will get together, they'll plan out, they'll follow you, they will take it. So this is what I'm protecting. So here it is, let me show you. Okay, it is a 5 lug. All you need to do is replace 1 lug. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the one right above the H, and I'm gonna do the same on all 4. I have a little OCD, so I'm just gonna make it, you know, I just want to make it all look the same, okay? So let's go ahead, just take 1 lug off. Let me set this down so you can see what I'm doing here. All right, so let's go ahead and just take 1 off, okay? It's fine, 1 off, sitting on the ground is fine, so let's just take 1 off here, okay? So I'm gonna take 1 off. Set this aside, okay? You get your new advanced wheel lock here, okay? You get your key and line it up, okay? And you get it in, okay? Now, it's recommended that you follow your manufacturer's torque setting, okay? This specific vehicle, Honda Accord, calls for 80 pounds. Your vehicle may be different, but just try to follow your manufacturer's recommended torque setting. If you don't know, you can find it online, and if you can't find it online, well, just try to get it on nice and tight, okay? So I got my setting here ready to go, 80 pounds, okay? Good. Torque this down. Okay, 1, 2, triple checked. Okay, that's it. Very easy. Let me see here. Let me show you. Okay, this is what it looks like. It doesn't stick out too much. It looks very nice. There you go. See there? Now there's another system on the market out there. Very good system, good concept. But the price range is just way expensive for me. So I think for the price that you get, for the system, for the security that you get, this is a very good system to get, okay? Now, what to do with the key, right? They say, okay, most people, okay, most people are gonna put it here, right? That's easy to find, okay? No, don't put it there. Okay? A lot of people put it here in the glove compartment. No, okay? Now, right here, you can put in the glove compartment here. If you have a key with the lock, that's great, okay? You can put it there, okay? But what they recommend is, let me see, where's mine? Put it with the trunk, okay? Oops. Show you, okay? Your tools, okay? See, this is your tool here, okay? Just put it together with your tools in the back, okay? Makes sense, right? You get a flat somewhere, you gotta get that lug lock out. So this is where you would find it, right? Okay, I'm not gonna put it there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape this and I'm gonna hide it somewhere in the car, okay? Somewhere where only me and my wife would know, okay? Maybe under the seat, maybe, I don't know, just be creative of where you're gonna hide it, okay? So, yeah. I think that's it. I've already done all 4. Again, if you have a Honda Accord, I highly suggest you get something to protect your investment. If you don't have a Honda Accord, you have something of high value that these thieves are trying to get at, I highly suggest getting some wheel locks, especially ones from AdvancedWheelLocks.com. I think their system is a very great system, and I think the price point is excellent. And I promise you won't go wrong with these. Okay, they do offer it in a black finish, and just specify what vehicle you have. I know not all lugs are the same as Hondas, but just let them know what you have, and I'm pretty sure they can accommodate and get you what you're gonna need. Okay, so again, this is my quick video review of the wheel locks from AdvancedWheelLocks.com. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below of where you can find it, and I hope this video helps. Go ahead and share this video with somebody who might like these wheel locks, or just share it with somebody who might it might help. Okay, so catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and yeah, that's it. All right, thank you.